Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the latest breakthroughs shaking up the HVAC industry in 2025. From next-gen refrigerants to new U.S. code changes and high-performance heat pumps, this update covers the future of HVAC and decarbonization. The HVAC world is transforming due to the global phase-down of high GWP refrigerants under the EPA AIM Act. Starting January 2025, new equipment must use refrigerants with a GWP below 700, forcing manufacturers to redesign systems. The goal is simple: reduce environmental impact without sacrificing performance. Let's discuss low GWP refrigerants. Our 454B is going to be direct replacement for our 410A HVAC equipment by most of the HVAC manufacturer. It's mildly flammable A2L, but offers similar performance with 78% lower GWP. It handles wider temperature ranges, providing better heating in cold weather and stable cooling in high ambient conditions. Our 452B is another 410A replacement, with GWP just under 700, popular for rooftops and split systems requiring minimal redesign. Our 513A and our 515B are top choices for chillers. Both are non-flammable, with GWPs around 573 and 293, fitting existing R134A hardware for simpler retrofits. Our 744 or CO2 has a GWP of 1 and 0 ozone impact. It produces 180 degrees Fahrenheit hot water even at sub-freezing temperatures, ideal for domestic hot water heat pumps. Our 290 propane and our 1234YF are used in compact systems and heat pump water heaters. Their ultra-low GWPs make them future-proof, but new flammability codes must be respected. Now, let's see how codes are adapting. ASHRAE 15 and 34 standards have been updated for A2L refrigerants. UL 60335-2-40, 4th edition, now defines charge limit calculations and leak detection for A2L and A3 systems. The 2024 International Mechanical and Fire Codes include A2L provisions, with states gradually adopting them. Before specifying A2L equipment, verify local AHJ approval. Safety is key. Smaller charge limits, mandatory ventilation, and active leak detection are part of the new design. Let's look at what's new in the market. Manufacturers are advancing cold climate heat pumps through the DOE Challenge program. Brands like Airmec, Carrier, Bosch, and Daikin are releasing models that maintain high capacity even at 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Commercial buildings are adopting CO2-based heat pump water heaters, delivering up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit supply temperature with high efficiency. For residential systems, propane-charged heat pump water heaters are being tested as code pathways expand. Smarter controls, variable speed compressors, and wider refrigerant operating envelopes mean systems are greener and more capable than ever. For design professionals, select refrigerants by GWP and operating envelope to ensure performance under extreme ambient conditions. Review EPA manufacturing deadlines and state-level code adoption. Coordinate with your AHJ on A2L safety requirements, leak detection, ventilation, and signage. Plan for technician training and refrigerant recovery protocols. Service readiness will be a key differentiator in 2025. The HVAC industry is evolving rapidly. Low GWP refrigerants, smart codes, and high-efficiency heat pumps are redefining performance, safety, and sustainability. If you design, install, or specify HVAC systems, stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, stay efficient, stay informed.